Hi, my name is Jack, and today we will talk about
electric contact grills.
If you liked some of the products here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
What if we told you it's finally possible to enjoy the char-grilled, juicy, succulent food you love every day without the hassle of firing up your barbecue, standing out in the cold, and refilling propane tanks? Introducing the Power XL Smokeless Grill, the only indoor grill with smoke extracting technology. Watch again as it sucks up that smoke and odor like a vacuum. The 5-star reviews say it all. People love the Power XL Smokeless Grill.
I've never used an indoor grill that gave you outdoor charcoal results, ever.
I get the outdoor feeling, taste, and look of the food that I miss from our outdoor grill.
It heats up almost immediately. It gives you that char that you're looking for, and I was just shocked. Nothing. There was no smoke in the apartment. We didn't have to open the doors.
The Power Smokeless Grill really is smokeless.
I even asked Cheryl, where's the smoke?
You can grill juicy porterhouse, surf and turf, tender cowboy, and succulent jumbo shrimp, barbecue back ribs. Look at the char-grilled results. You'd never know it wasn't cooked on an outdoor grill. What's the secret? The heat source, reaching 450 degrees Fahrenheit, connects to the grill plate, so all that fat can drip through the grates into the drip tray below. This is the healthy way to cook. And that fat drains away through the open grill, just like an outdoor barbecue. The Turbo Speed Smoke Extractor technology captures and extracts virtually all the smoke. This means now you can have an open grill right in your kitchen. One press and it instantly starts heating. It's small enough for an apartment. Grill 8 large burgers. You can even grill and a whole chicken. Now you can grill caramelized pork chops. Stuff your burger with mac and cheese. Barbecue char-grilled game night wings. Even grill from frozen. Serve in a flash. And here's exciting news. Lemon and herbs to the tray below with flavor as you grill. The LA Char Grill steak on high, medium for the wood fire. Toast melted, perfect for apartments, balcony. The heavy-duty cast aluminum grill plate is super non-stick. Not a problem. Forget about grill plates that are attached to possible to clean.
George Foreman, the #1 brand in grilling, just got bigger. Take a look at George Foreman's largest indoor contact grill. With over 144 square inches of cooking surface, this model can handle up to 9 servings at once. And it has all the classic features you've come to love in a George Foreman grill. The patented slope design, which drains grease and fat for healthier meals. Signature Foreman heating elements that ensure even heat from the center of the grill to the sides. And faster temperature recovery. The George Tough non-stick coating. And of course, the convenient indicator lights let you know when the grill is on and preheated. The George Foreman Grill, now serving your party of 9.
This is the Cuisinart Griddler, Grill, and Panini Maker. It's really easy to use, it's very compact in size, and has some interesting features. So I'm going to open it up so you can see inside. It has a nice, generous surface, but it's still very compact. What you can do is you can remove the plates so they can go in the dishwasher. You just pop that back on. And on this side, there's a little knob on the side. You press that on the bottom side, and that's how you can remove the plate. Just tuck it back in and press it down. The other thing I want to show you is here on the side of the unit, there's a black button. And that button, when you press it in, it releases the handle, and you then lay it down flat, and the handle becomes the leg, and you have a nice wide cooking surface. So if you want, you could do vegetables on this side, and maybe a piece of chicken or fish on that side. You can mix it up. You can do 4 nice, generous sized burgers if you like. It's really convenient and easy to use. I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to show you something in the front. Here there are 2 little legs. And then what we're going to do is add a little bit of basil for color and flavor. So let's check on our panini. Just going to move these over here and open the lid. And they're nice and melted and squished, but I will actually get it off. Now the other thing too is, I didn't mention that these plates are coated. They go right in the dishwasher. So it's really easy to get sticky cheese off because you have a coated cooking surface there. So there you have it, the Cuisinart Griddler, Grill, and Panini sandwich maker. It's a great item to have in the house. You can make a quick meal, very little time, very little cleanup.